Pay attention to the unique vibe of this video and take a look at the beautiful styles of Iranian girls and women. Tonight, Sunday, February 22, as I walk through the streets, you can truly see how beautiful the people of Iran are. Their styles are attractive and unique, and everyone has their own look. This diversity fills the city with energy and color. Compared to the past, the strictness around hijab feels less visible. Women and girls choose their favorite outfits more freely. You can see this freedom reflected in their confidence. Bright colors and different designs are seen more often. Everyone tries to express themselves through their style. This uniqueness makes the streets more interesting to watch. Styles are not just fashionable, they have personality, from simple and minimal to bold and different. Everything can be seen. This variety shows how wide and diverse tastes have become. The beauty of Iranian people is not only in their faces. It's also clear in how they dress and combine colors. Their styles have a special and eye-catching charm. Now, choices are more diverse and more personal. Girls and women dress based on their own taste. This change has given the city a better and fresher feeling. Some styles are bold and even shocking, but these differences make everything more attractive. Fewer people are afraid to dress in a unique way. From soft tones to bright colors, everything can be seen. Each color combination brings a new feeling to the streets. This play with colors is truly eye-catching. If you find this video interesting, please support us by subscribing so we can share more videos from Iran with you. Styles have become more modern than before. Inspiration from new trends is more visible, yet they still keep their own Iranian vibe. When I film people, these different personalities and styles really stand out to me. Beauty and attractiveness can be seen in every single look. Everyone creates a unique image of themselves through their outfit. If you enjoy this style of videos, watch our next one.
کار دیگه داشته انجام میدم